A long time ago, when first visited the 96-year-old family restaurant El Cholo in LA, I was hooked. After that, it has become the go-to Mexican restaurant whenever I travel up there. Years ago, I received a gift of the El Cholo cookbook, from which I learned the history of the restaurant, along with dozens of original recipes that had and have been served to generations of Americans. This avocado salsa is one of the recipes that started to serve in the 1980s. I think you may also call it guacamole these days, as most restaurants serve the salsa version while calling it guacamole. So you know what? Today I'm going to make this original recipe from the cookbook and share some taste of the history with all of you. Let's get started. You will need 2 Haas avocados, 1 ripe tomato, some onion, 1 lime, half red bell pepper, half serrano pepper, which I replaced with a local type, and 1 stalk cilantro. Now let's first prepare the red bell pepper. Cut ends, get rid of the seeds, followed by the pit. Then cut into thin slices, about 0.5 centimeters or half an inch wide. Then cut into cubes. Quarter spoon of serrano or green pepper lengthwise. Then cut into small cubes as well. Slice the onion horizontally, then vertically, and then cut into pieces. Decore tomato, then get rid of the seeds. First slice into wedges. Then also cut into small cubes. Next, roughly cut a cilantro as shown. Finally, time for an avocado. Use a knife, cut in half, twist it open, and get rid of the seed. Then use a knife to cut even lines against the crust. Turn 90 degrees and repeat the process. And that's all the preparation that you need. Other than that, don't forget some salt and pepper. Now in a medium bowl, add red bell pepper, green pepper, tomato, onion, and cilantro. Scoop in the 2 avocados. Try not to break the crust. And shake, shake. And shake, shake, shake. And shake the mix. If some avocado chunks are too stubborn to separate, use a spoon to break them up. Spread with some salt and pepper, and squeeze in the lime juice. Mix again. If you want your salsa a little creamy, just use a spoon to vigorously fold again and again. And voila, you're done. Serve in an avocado crust or however you like. Top with a touch more cilantro and a piece of lime. Drizzle with a little bit more lime juice if you like, and you may start eating right away. You may eat it as salad as I do, or use it as sauce to complement other flavors. So the salsa is actually quite versatile.